Is SD Bullion a legit company? Since its birth in 2012, SD Bullion has proven itself worthy in the precious metals market. The company has grown to become customers' choice. Recently, the company was listed among the 5,000 fastest-growing companies in the United States at position 177 and even worldwide. The company was founded by two doctors who were very dedicated to protecting people's financial health and have worked so hard to prove their efforts even today. Most customers have had positive reviews about the company that shows they do not regret having the company as a precious metals partner. SD Bullion is a company that deals in selling precious metals. The company's list of precious metals includes gold and silver in both bars and coins and platinum. With over $157 million in annual returns, the company, since the beginning of its operations in 2012, has executed over $1 billion in the sale of precious metals.
Which companies made it on our list this year of the top gold IRA companies to do business with? See the link to that video in the top right corner now, or below this video in the description to find out.
SD Bullion, founded by two dedicated individuals, is generally dedicated to providing the best in terms of its services to the customers compared to its competitors. All the company employees aim to satisfy all their customers' needs in a way that will leave the customers satisfied and glorify the company. What the company does. SD Bullion is a precious metals company dealing in gold, silver, and platinum to customers to secure their hard-earned wealth. They sell their precious metals at low retail prices to our investors of guaranteed quality. The company gives you varied buying gold and silver options, ranging from buying precious metals to creating an IRA with the company. There are also several buying options of coins and bars in gold and silver with proven quality and guaranteed security of your wealth. The company deals in American gold bullions, British gold coins, Chinese gold pandas, Mexican gold libertad and many more. Silver coins include silver maple leaves, British silver coins, African silver coins, Australian Perth mint, and many more silver coins. The same applies to platinum, and you can therefore be sure of varied options to choose from. The company's staff is always available to provide guidance and all the information you need about each gold or silver option to make the most informed buying decision. SD Bullion Gold IRA. The company allows you to secure your future in a gold IRA. It could be silver, platinum, palladium, or copper, but mostly a gold IRA or simply a precious metals IRA. There are 3 simple steps involved in creating a precious metals IRA. The following are the 3 basic steps. 1. Opening a self-directed IRA account. This first step may involve some paperwork, answering some questions, and filling forms regarding opening an account. It also involves the selection of a custodian. If you do not have one, the company IRA experts will be there to help you select a trustworthy custodian. 2. Funding the IRA account. After you have created your self-directed IRA account, the next step is always funding the account. There is an option to fund your account directly with your account or rollover from an existing retirement account such as a 401k account. Your selected custodian in the first step will help with this process. 3. Buying the IRA-approved precious metals. The last step is buying the precious metals for your self-directed IRA account because you are now eligible for purchase after funding your account. The company has several IRA-eligible bullion that you can choose from. To lock a trade of precious metals, you can contact the company to ship the metals to your IRA account after settling the payment for the trade with the help of your custodian. Care should be taken at this stage. Like a custodian, you will need to choose a trustworthy dealer, where SD Bullion comes in. Is SD Bullion a legit company? There have been questions from people regarding the trustworthiness of the company. People have questions about if the company is to be trusted or is just a scam. Well, according to our research, I can boldly tell you the company is not a scam. SD Bullion is a trusted precious metals dealer with IRA eligibility. The company works with trusted and renowned mints both in the country and in other countries worldwide. The company also partners with trusted custodians like Gold Star Trust and others, as seen earlier. The company has 4.5 stars customer rating with over 1,940 customer reviews on TrustLink indicating their satisfaction with the company's services and over 50,000 total positive reviews. Although we do think that SD Bullion is a solid company, we believe that there are better companies out there to make your investment with.
Looking to open a gold IRA? Stop. Right now. Buyers beware. Gold IRAs are unregulated. Gold IRA companies are not all alike. Some use lies, gimmicks, and high-pressure tactics like the excessive free silver scheme to push you into starting a gold IRA with them. And that's wrong. With one wrong decision, you could be facing large hidden charges that reduce the value of your funds for years. Let us help you avoid a costly mistake. You can easily learn how to avoid falling for those scams by getting our guides, 10 Gold IRA Dealer Lies and 15 Bad Reasons to Buy Gold and Silver. If you are looking to do a Gold IRA, this is a must. Click here to get the guide and find out how to get a Gold IRA the right way.
See our video on the top Gold IRA companies by clicking the link at the left side of the screen now. Please visit our website at givemethegold.com to learn more about gold IRAs and investing in gold and other precious metals. Thanks for watching.